The tubes is very severe rusted when it comes to our factory. We're going to do some process to clean the tubes in our factory. You can see it just becomes very clean and smooth after acid washing, phosphating, saponification. It can breathe a certain standard like GB 6978 and 6807. And also we have the environmental facility to prevent pollution in our factory. We Hengyang Hongyuan Pipe Industry is very responsible enterprise. We invest a lot of money to build a complete set of environmental protection equipment. And we are open our door to every customer who need acid washing, phosphating, and saponification. Welcome to contact with me if you need such kind of process to clean the rust or to meet a certain special requirements from your customer. We are very happy to help you here. My WeChat number 1516